Hi, welcome to the demo video of Sentinel Epos Beauty Salon software, which is widely used for hairdresser, hair salons, and beauty parlors. You can create multiple username and password for your different stylist or a staff member, and then they can using their key in code, or you can buy a RFID reader, and they can using clock in, clock out, or log in into the software by just touching the key fob. Once they entered into the software, it will show the main screen where all your categories will be. For demo purpose, I've just made 8-9 categories. You can make 10, 15, 20 categories. So depend what type of services you're providing. You can add more categories, and you can change the button color, sizes. You can even put the pictures on the buttons as well. To sell a product is very easy. For example, if you're doing facial, you click on facial, it will show you all the services you're doing in the facial. You can make many products, 5, 10, 15, 20. There's no limit. And once you click on the product, it will go to the card, and then you press pay button to if customers paying, let's say £60, you write 60, and if they're paying cash, you press cash. If they're paying by credit card, you press credit card, and it will show you how much change you need to pay back, and print the receipt and open the cash draw. uh, you can create multiple products. For example, in facials, you got all the facial haircuts, you got all the haircuts. Then if you go into the waxing, you got all the waxing product, full arm, and you can do the pricing as well. If to one customer you're giving some discount, you can use the discount button to give the discount in percentage or in amount. So let's say if you're giving £2 discount in amount, you can do in amount £2, and it will reduce the price to £100 as well. Or if you want to do in percentage, you can do 10% discount, and it will decrease the discount, and do everything accordingly. uh, Once you finish the order, it will open the cash drawer. You can go to order list, see all the orders, previous orders, anything. For appointments, if you're booking an appointment, you can go to appointments. You can add a new appointment. So when you're adding a new appointment, first you need to make a customer. So you click on this button. You can add a new customer. Let's say you're making a customer call Kelly. Take the postcode SG Trials 0HU, and then you can road Ware Road, Hertfordshire, whatever their address is, and then email address is optional, telephone number is optional. You can write the telephone number, and then you can save. This new customer is created. If you double click on this customer, it will open the booking form. So appointment date, you can choose the appointment date, let's say on 27th of May. Appointment time, what time they want appointment, whatever time they want. You can even use this mouse feature to do the appointment time, or you can type in the amount time here as well in hours. So 1 o'clock, whose appointment with, so all the stylist name are here. So for example, the appointment is with Natasha. Any notes, any special instructions they want, you can write the notes here. Then end time, so if the booking is started 1 o'clock, what time is going to be finished. So let's say it's going to finish 2 o'clock. What services they want, you can click on this green button, and it will show you all your services. For example, they want let's say haircut and trim, and then you save this appointment. It will print out a small appointment confirmation, which you can give to customer. I'll show you how it's gonna look like later. At the moment I don't have a printer installed, and then it finishes the appointment. So later, if you want to go and see the Natasha diary, you can just write, let's say Natasha. Here you can see all the appointment by Natasha. So 2:50 a.m. and then 9 o'clock. Date wise, you can see. If you want to do it date wise, you can do date wise as well. What date wise appointment and everything, notes, everything. So it's everything is there. Now on the day of appointment, when the customer walks in, all you need to do is go to appointments. You double click on the appointment once it's finished. So let's say the appointment is with Natasha. You double click on the appointment, and then and you can finish the appointment as well. It goes into the card, and you finish the appointment, and then it will show the appointment as finished. So because the appointment was in future date, we can't finish it. But if the appointment is on the same date, like this one is appointment on the same day, you double click on the appointment, it goes into the card, and then you press pay button. If they're paying by credit card, you press credit card, and it will finish the appointment as well. It will start opening the, if you, this software is integrated with the credit card machine as well. So if you're using payment sense, it will try to connect with the payment sense. So I'll finish it as a cash for now. Um End of the day, you can see in the reports or how much cash you've received today. If you are paying VAT registered, you can see VAT figures as well, card sale and everything there. You can see your sales analysis as well, how many facials you have done, how many haircuts you have done. You can do category wise as well, or you can do product wise as well. For example, how many deep tissue facial you have done, how many herbal facial, how many haircuts you have got, and how. So everything you can do the sales analysis. You can export it to Excel. You can see your hourly sale as well. You can see time sheet. So if you are using the system to clock in clock out your staff member, you can see how many hours they work. So it's very easy to use. You can add new users as well. So if you want to add, if somebody else is joining, you can add, you can write their name here, password here, which group they belong, admin on staff, and then press save, national insurance number, what's the pay rate, everything. It's very easy to use software. For example, let's say if you're selling herbal facial for £20, but for one customer you want to give them some discount, you can type in the amount here, so £45, and then go and press deep tissue, and it will charge 45 pence. So you need to type in pence, so £45 is 4,500 pence, and then you go to the product and click there, and it will go to the card as well. If You can quickly change the prices of your services. Once you purchase this software, I will send you a complete video manual that explains everything, but it's especially designed for the beauty parlor and the hairdresser. It's got all the features you required. You can see sales by your staff members. So for example, if one is stylist, you can, at the end of the day, you can see that how much Natasha services has made you during the day, and all the analysis you can do is again very easy, very user friendly. It's just one time cost, there's no ongoing cost, and we give you free support as well for first initial few months, and during first few months you will understand everything. Adding product is very easy. So let's say if you want to add something into facial, you can go to manager, you can go to pause items, you can go to products, go to facials, press add, type the new service name, for example new facial. What's the retail price for the facial? For example, you're providing it for £65. Is there any VAT? 20% VAT, and then press save, and this new product is now created. So if I go back to the facial, see, it's a new product, new facial here. If you want to add a picture on this button, again all you need to do is go to the facials, products, facials, click on the product you want the picture, go to settings, click on this button, choose the picture you want to put, for example this one, and then press save, and now the picture is there as well. So if I go to facial, see, the picture is there as well. So it's again very easy to use, very user friendly, and when you buy the Epos system from us, we will provide you full training. We will deliver it to you, we will train your staff, and then we will give you free initially 2-3 months support, so you know what you're doing, and once you learn everything, then you can carry on doing it yourself. You don't need any further help. I hope you like this software, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me on 07948 515058, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you. Bye bye.